Welcome to Docs Direct. This video will show you how to have your document printed as a hardback book with a colour cover and titles on the cover and spine. Once you have decided on the binding type, click on Start Now to begin the order process. A new window will open showing various types of documents you can choose from. We'd like to order a hardback book, so I'll click on that icon. Lower down the page, a blue Browse button then appears. Click on this. A new window will open where you can select the file you would like to upload. I'll select the file My Story. Click on Open. Your file is then uploaded to our secure server and a configuration page opens. This is where your document can be configured for printing as a hardback book. Just go through the various options on the right hand side, working from top to bottom. As we are configuring a hardback book, a fixed, currently blank hardback cover has already been added to the preview on the left. You can see this by hovering your mouse over the preview and turning the pages. Double-sided black and white print is already selected, so I don't need to change this. The next step shown is the Cover Designer. Just click on the Design Tool icon. The Cover Designer tool will open in a new window. The left-hand area titled Cover Controls contains the various buttons for adding text and images. The middle section is the design area where you can position text and images on the rear cover, spine and front cover. There is a background grid which may be switched on and off to help you with positioning. The top section contains options for zooming and adding existing pages to the front and rear covers. A simple option is to choose to have the first and last pages of your document as the outer cover. To do this, just click here and here. But I want to change the colour of the cover and add some titles, so I'll untick these options. I'll then select a cover colour by clicking on the Set Cover Colour button. I'm going to choose a shade of blue. I just drag the bar to the blue area like this, and then click on the small circle to the top left of the colour chart and drag it to the colour I'd like. As I do this, the colour changes on the cover grid. When I'm happy with the colour, I click on the Set Cover Colour button again and the colour is selected. I then want to add some text, so I click on the Add Text button. A text box appears on the front cover. I can edit the text by selecting it in the text area on the left and pressing the Delete or Backspace key. Then I can enter my new book title. I can then format the text. First I select bold, then increase the font size, adjust the size of the text box to accommodate the larger font, and then center the text. And last of all, make sure the text is centered on the page by clicking on the Fit Width button. I like to add text to the spine as well, so I click on Add Text again, enter my text and format it just as before. As this text needs to be on the spine, I just drag the box over to the spine area. I then change the direction of the text to vertical and move it to its final position. Again, I'll adjust the size of the text box to accommodate the larger font. I'll use the zoom slider for a more detailed view so I can check the final position of my text. As well as adding text, you can add images or templates by clicking on the Add Image or Add Template buttons. For now, I'm happy with just a simple text design. For the artwork to be generated, I now need to click on the Finish and Return button. This will take a couple of minutes. The Cover Designer window will close and you will be returned to the Step 2 configuration page. Here you will see a preview of the complete artwork we will use to make the front cover, spine and rear cover. You can also see that the cover you have created has been updated in the book preview on the left. Turn the pages to check it's correct. If not, click on the Design Tool icon again to edit the cover. As a last option, I'll select Gloss Lamination. And that's it. My book is configured, ready for printing. I just need to click on the review order to add it to my basket.